Got this Bintelli, and it's been sitting up here at Flagler on rental. The seats are starting to really get kind of worn. This back's really bad. They had it parked next to a tree, and it really just got moldy and kind of gross. So we're going to clean this thing up. All right, so this is literally a roadside repair here. We're gonna see how much better these things lick. Got some vinyl fabric paint, just black. This is glossy. I like the matte better, but gonna see what it does. I'm gonna do all the green first. We'll kind of coat the black on top of it. This stuff does a really good job. You gotta touch it up, you know, pretty regularly, but it's this easy to do, and it makes the seats a lot cleaner for renters. So it's not super cheap. It's about 15 bucks a can, but I mean, you can see what a big difference that makes. Look at this, like brand new. Touch up this black just so it looks fresh, like a new seat. All right, so we just flip this seat up. I'm going to do this also. Same thing, green first, and we'll touch up the black afterward. This probably looks funny from the road. She's like, what's this guy doing? Painting car seats on the side of the road. It's not worth taking down to the car lot and dealing with it there. Back ones are really gross. Probably gonna do a second coat on this, let this dry for a few minutes, and come back over it, touch it up. Let that sit flat. Cover a few things here just so it doesn't get all over this paint. Pretty careful, but still cover it. Okay, we're gonna do the uppers real quick. These are really quick work. Seatbelt out of the way. Maybe I can hold it like that so it'll stay. Perfect. Brand new Bintelli seats. Try to get all the green in the center there. On the seams you can still see some green. All right, now we got to do the fronts. This project's about to be done. Whoops, forgot to record there for a second. I don't know if anybody would be watching this late in the video anyhow, but for the rest of you, I'll show you the final product here in just a few minutes. This dries really quick too. I think I should be able to drive it back over here. If I don't do a second coat on that front, I think I will, and just wait a few more minutes. I'd rather it be a little bit better than have to do it again. Back around this side, see how you can still see the green in there? You got to hit them at different angles to get everything covered. Touch up these sides so they match better. Good thing is it's all black, so it's easy to get everything. See, this is dry already. I mean, I just painted that maybe 5 minutes ago at the very most. All right, this is the final outcome. Got the seats looking really nice. Put these seat belts back down. Back seats, they were really messed up in the corners there, but it turned out nice. Pretty easy. They actually used about half a can, so $7.